Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure your modem and router show active service lights and your ISP account is active. Once done, enable your laptop's Wi-Fi or plug an Ethernet cable into the LAN port. Ethernet gives a simpler, direct connection. If using Wi-Fi, locate the router SSID and password on the device or paperwork. You need admin credentials only for router changes, otherwise you can connect as a regular user. Now open your network menu to start the connection process. You should now pick the network. Select the SSID and enter the Wi-Fi password exactly, because wireless security is case-sensitive. Make sure the router uses WPA2 or WPA3 for best security. Once connected, check that your laptop received an IP via DHCP. If your network requires a static IP, enter address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS. If the ISP uses a captive portal, open a browser to complete login. If you need to change router settings, navigate to 192. You finish by verifying the link. Run a speed test and load several websites to confirm stable browsing and expected throughput. If pages fail, restart the modem and router, then reboot your laptop. This often clears DNS or routing glitches, so make sure status lights return to normal. If problems continue, reset the laptop network adapter or release/renew the IP. One key tip: if nothing fixes it, call your ISP with model and light patterns ready. They can detect line or provisioning faults remotely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.